Okay, I'm gonna do a white trash exhaust video that I just got done on my car. Bear with me. Basically, for a little background, I don't know how this is gonna work, but I had them put take the muffler off of my car, and the exhaust sticks out a little bit further than it used to, but you can see what he did here. The shiny stuff that was all welded on today. He took off the muffler, so at first he didn't think he'd be able to do that split. Like, he didn't think he would have enough room, but when he put it on the lift, he saw that he did. So here we are. All right. So a 4.9 liter V8 Cadillac 92 Eldorado. Oh,